like to thank Speedway Video. Speedway Video. Their videos are the best, and that's how I get better. I go on YouTube, I pull up Speedway Video, and I watch the races, and I try to make myself better through video.
Definitely subscribe to his YouTube and his Patreon.
Yes. Go to patreon.com/speedwayvideo now.
Between the 41 of Jeffrey White and the 25 of Taylor Watson, row number 2. White and Watson drove each other hard, traded a little bit of paint. It was a thriller. Taylor Watson ended up with her first career win. Got some new trucks to deal with tonight, 31-52. Gonna be interesting. Here they come. 25 laps for the truckers. The pickup's gonna pick up speed off 4. Green flag is in the air. Around the outside, that 41 Jeffrey White gets the jump, but gets kind of roadblocked by the 21 of Chuck Ayers. Ayers a little bit sideways. White had to pedal a little bit, but now he's got that head of steam built back up. Ayers goes to the outside. That's going to open the door for that White machine up front, using all the racetrack, and getting a little love tap there from the 41. Top 5 clumped together. Inside the 41, Jeffrey. And who gets the jump on the start? It says a lot about the race. And the 41 looking at the inside of Chuck Ayers now for lead. Watson stuck back and forth. Rummel has dropped back to 6. Chuck Ayers dancing with that 21, almost comes together with the 41. Was not able to get out in front in the feature, and this could be bad news for the rest of the field as White gets out in front early on with 3 complete. Taylor Watson, the winner of the first truck race. Top 7 trucks all together down the back. Rolls sideways as LaBrecque gets to the outside. Race made it look easy, and now he's struggling. Almost sideways on that inside lane. Now gets clear of LaBrecque. See if he's got all the racetrack now. Get that truck where he needs it to be and maybe catch this 31. Battle's going to be on for second. Second spot. Ayers out of it. 7 laps complete this time. Byron will be a third of the way home. Jeffrey White opening up a big lead. Watson down the apron. Contact. Battle for second. Watson with a weird entry in 1. Shoots up the track and thankfully didn't cause an incident there. This is heating up too. Michael Whipple, Dalton Smith, and Chris Rummel dirt track in the 52 up the racetrack. That black 25 with a big number inside. Side by side down the back straightaway. 10 laps, making 11 this time. Watson is clear a second. Jeffrey White raced her hard and clean a couple of weeks ago. Straightaway, more than half a straightaway lead on Watson's 25. front straightaway. Suka in that second. The inside of Lucy. As he was able to fight around the outside. Your leader at the line this time. 2:20 to go. Big traffic again. It's driven away. But remember in the super stocks. Some passes here. Jack is up to Smith. Jack moves up to 8th. Struggling a bit. Trying to just 10 laps. 24 truck cuts it down on the inside. 24 now, he's caught by inside there. Chuck Iyer starting dirt track to 21. He's got closing in on him for third. 17 laps of laps. Second, third is Chuck. 24 truck. A couple of fifth place finishes a week ago with the Pro Late models. Not going to make the finish. Inverted tonight. Chuck Ayers hanging on a third. Rodney Haddock back in fourth. Chuck Ayers, dirt tracks to 21 once again as he closes up on the 35. Ayers going to bring Haddock with him. Michael Whitworth goes up the track and gets out of the way unconventionally. Close call to lap checks. Third through fifth right there together off turn number 2. 5 laps to go. Jeffrey White is gapped the second place straightaway. We're still stuck back on the 31 of Rodney Haddock. Too good as it came by the front straightaway. 2 laps to go. Jeffrey Saturday evening. And a mile. Big Musso get his first truck win of the year. Nose to tail. That's going to be the battle here. Rodney Haddock, hang on. He was out of shape in 2. That was changed everything. Now Rummel gives him white flag is out. The final lap almost had they wrecked and just didn't finish. Here's your leader coming down the line, Jeffrey White, easily. First win of the year for the 40. And Chuck Ayers is going to hold. Haddock is fourth. Fifth is Rummel. And the rest of the cars a lap or more down. And ladies and gentlemen, here he comes, your race winner, Jeffrey White in the 41. We'll get Jeffrey over here and grab a quick word with him. A couple weeks ago, you battled hard. You did everything but turn the 25 truck for the win tonight. You get through the traffic, and you drove away from everybody. Statement win for you tonight.
Yeah, the cars on rails, or the truck, my bad. You know, I got cars and trucks, and yeah, the truck was on rails tonight, and I wanted to show that this truck is really fast, and you know, and I just wanted to show.
I think you showed him, man. You whooped up on everybody. You had a straightaway on everybody.
Yeah, because I want to show it's really fast because it's actually for sale. So, you know, bring a big checkbook or all the money you want. It's for sale.
See, every time you win, the price goes up, right?
Yes, sir. That's how it is.
Well, big win for you tonight, and if anyone wants to get involved with these trucks, this would be a good one to pick up. So they need you to quit winning so the price will go down. But in all seriousness, congratulations on the big win tonight. I know no win is easy. You went out there and hit your marks.
Oh. Yeah, lap after lap, I just hit my marks, and truck didn't disappoint me one bit. It was there every single 25 laps.
Anybody that you would like to thank tonight?
Yeah, I'd like to thank my mom, my dad, Joe, my girlfriend, my little baby girl. She's turning 6 months next Wednesday. Everybody back at the shop, Action Graphics, my Amazing Raps, Donnie Myers Luxury Coach. Actually, Speedway Video, because, you know, their videos are the best, and that's how I get better at this track. And Racing with Ryan podcast, because it's amazing, too.
You nailed it, man. Great job.
Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Jeffrey White and truck number 41. Big win tonight, and sad to hear it's for sale, but if you want to get yourself a good truck and come out here and compete, that's a good one to get. Taylor Watson. Taylor, a couple of weeks ago, it was a win tonight, second place. That just getting through traffic tonight was a bit tough. Jeffrey was able to get around and kind of get a big lead on everybody. Almost had a caution with 2 to go. If you had a yellow, do you think you could have given the 41 truck a run?
I mean, I really think that we had a car to compete with the win, and super interested to see what would have happened. I mean, I would have given my best shot, but huge congrats to my buddy Jeffrey. Well-earned win over there. Congrats to the whole 41 team. But, I mean, yeah, my dad gave me a really great piece tonight. But, you know, that's how the cards fell. Lap traffic and all sorts of stuff. So congrats to them over there. But, yeah, I do wish we could have gotten a chance to see what would have happened.
Well, you're still off to a great start this season. A win and a second. I mean, not too bad for your rookie year. Who would you like to thank for all the effort?
Again, huge thanks to both my parents. Just like I said last time, super fortunate and really grateful to have a dad that's so involved with racing, and I couldn't do it without him. Also, huge thank you to all the fans. You guys are awesome.
Hey, you brought some people with you today. Thanks for that.
Yeah, so I really appreciate all y'all's support out there. Another huge thank you to my grandparents for coming out, and Harvey and his wife Jan. Thank you guys. So yeah, I'm really happy we can get a top 3 and secure a second place, and we're just gonna go back to the shop and get ready for next race. We'll be at Auburndale next weekend. So.
Well, I'm sure you have plenty of wins coming. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Taylor Watson, who brings it home with a good second place run tonight. Should still be up there in the points battle as well, and coming home in third. A big reason this class was in double digits tonight. Chuck, first of all, thanks for bringing the support to the Speedway. Congratulations on a good run tonight.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thanks, guys. I'm glad y'all made it out tonight.
10 trucks, and this has been building ever since you guys came on board, and the message is starting to get out there, and people are starting to come. Are you happy with the progress that we've seen with this truck division?
Oh, yeah. And that was the whole idea of sponsoring the series, just try to get more trucks to come. I want to come here and race more than 3 or 4 trucks. I'd like to get a field of them.
It's probably a lot more fun to race against more people, isn't it? And you had quite the battle. How were you able to hang on to third out there? Looks like the truck was getting loose at the end.
Yeah, it was a little bit. Me overdriving it.
Well, that'll happen sometimes, especially when you got your teammate and buddy behind you. But still a great effort, and thanks for everything you do for us.
Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Chuck Hires, brings it home in the third spot in the Ashley Holmes sponsored ride. Ashley Holmes Jack's Trucks, another great performance. Big field of trucks, and they went clean and green. Come next one.
Support Speedway Video. Go to patreon.com/Speedway Video now.